Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment problem solving through programming in C, week 4th, assignment 4. So the first question is, what is the correct syntax for an if-else statement in C? So these are the options, and the answer of our first question is C, if condition statement, else statement. Now the second question is, which of the following is true about nested if else statement? So these are the option, they are not allowed in C. They else part is mandatory for every if a statement. They allow you to test multiple condition and execute different blocks of code based on the result. Nested if else statement are only allow up to 2 levels deep. So the answer of our second question is C. Now the third question is, while one is used in a program to create false statement, infinite loop, terminating the loop, never executed loop. So the answer of our third question is B, infinite loop. Now the fourth question is, which of the following operator can be used to combine multiple condition in an if statement? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is D, all of the above. Now the fifth question is, compute the printed value of I of the C program given below. So this is our program, and the answer of our fifth question is A. Now the sixth question is, if A equal to 1, B equal to 2 can be written as. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D. None of them mentioned. Now the seventh question is, if multiple condition are used in a single if statement, then the test of those condition are done. So these are the option from right to left, from left to right, randomly, none of the above. So the answer of our seventh question is B, from left to right. Now the eighth question is, what is the purpose of the given program, and is the input number given by the user. So this is our code, and these are the options: sum of the digit of a number, the negative sum of the digit of a number, the reverse of a number, the same number is printed. So the answer of our eighth question is B, the negative sum of the digit of a number. Now the ninth question is, what will be the output of the given program? So this is our program, and these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is D, compile error. Now the 10th question is, what will be the output of the following program? So this is our program, and these are the option: true, false, 0, 1, and the answer of our 10th question is D, false. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.